And what's up there, folks? Stampede Valkyrie coming back at you again with a wrap-up of another bar that's been sitting on my back burner for a hot minute. We've got here is a first generation, or Generation 1 SD bar. I was being a bit of a problem child. I actually I thought it was going to be a fairly quick process to fix and get working. Ended up being fully stripped down completely to the frame. New belts, replaced a couple of the screws, did my best to get rid of much of the corrosion as I possibly could. There were some things I could save and some I couldn't. But on the grand scheme of things, all things considered, the bar is now actually behaving. It's in great shape, and I finally got a use for one of my last of the blue domes that I have been sitting on for a hot minute. The bar was originally red. I just figured, you know what, why not? Let's go ahead and get the blue one out and go from there. The red dome itself is one of the original domes. The blue dome was my extra. The red dome did some polish a couple times, got it back from what I would consider unusable to now very usable. So let's come up here and give the workaround, or a little bit of a walk around. So coming around, definitely first gen. Got some nice clarity in that red dome. Apologize for the lack of light. I'm running out of daylight here, so I'm trying to do this pretty quick. Coming down here, the old style Code 3 end caps. It's kind of neat. Coming around the back, nothing too fancy. Standard front facing V mirror. Coming across passenger side, blue dome. Blue dome, really nice. That's pretty sharp. I like that. Blue dome looks really hot. I like the red dome too, but blue, especially with these vintage domes, is a pretty hot one. Coming down here, the same matching end cap. Again, nothing too crazy, at least externally. A little bit of Never Dull goes a long way on that, so I gave that a nice polish. I could probably go further with it, but at this stage here, I think it's done pretty well. Let's go ahead and fire it off, and I'll try to keep this as short as I can. And there it is. It's off and living. It's kicking. That driver's side was really being, the red side was really being a hassle for me. Having issues with the belt not wanting to line up properly and some other random nonsense. Was able to get that under control. See if I can get this down. For the astute of you, you'll see that I have reversed the lamp assemblies. That's on purpose. But we'll give this thing a quick 360 while it's lit up. Pardon the shaky cam as we come back and across. I love these low vis videos. Like the very, very low light levels, because the light really gets a chance to shine without the sun washing it out. Very quiet. I'm kind of waiting for my battery pack to start flipping out on me. But as we move across, I'll back it up and see if I can get down for a straight on shot. Pardon the shaky cam. There it is. That's pretty hot. I like it. I think I said before, but I kind of prefer the SD bars over the Twin Sonic. I know I'll get flamed for that, but it is what it is. Anyway, on that note, I'm not sure when this is going to go out, or if you've even stuck around this long. Sometime November, I'm assuming. I'm trying to cash up some videos as the winter's getting close, and being outside when it's colder than all get out doesn't really work for my videos. So anyway, on that note, signing off. Hope you enjoy it.